Namaste. Firstly, I thank you all for your constant support and I appreciate your interest towards practicing yoga. So the purpose of this video is to give certain information regarding the practicing pattern of next upcoming classes, that is from class 41. So up to these days, up to class 40, what we did is from class 1 to class 20, we did each class practice for 1 week, and from class 20 to class 40, we make two classes as one set, and we were practicing alternatively. So this practicing pattern we follow till class 40. From class 41, so we make 3 classes as one set. So for example, class 41, class 42 and class 43 will becomes one set, and next class 44, 45 and class 46 will becomes another set. Like this we will be practicing from hereafter. So class 41 will be consisting of the basic asanas and explanation of pranayama, and all this will be covered in class 41. In class 42 it will be some sort of dynamic practices. We'll be working on strength, improving the strength and stamina of the body in class 42. And in third class 43 we'll be working on flexibility. We'll be working on next level of asanas. Till these days we prepared our body for doing next level of asanas, so we use those flexibility and will attempt for the advanced asanas in class 43. So it will be like this: 41, 42 and 43. Next will become 44, 45 and 46. This 41, 42, 43 you should be practicing for 3 weeks. Okay, for example, Monday if you practice class 41, Tuesday will be practicing class 42, and Wednesday will be practicing for class 43. So and Thursday once again 41, Friday 42, Saturday 43, and Sunday if you miss any classes in this weekdays, you can shift those that class on Sunday. You can do in this way, and like this you should do it for 3 weeks. Once you complete 3 weeks of practice, then you should get into the class 44. Class 44, class 45 and class 46. In the same way, class 44 will be on Monday, class 42 will be on Tuesday and class 43 will be on Wednesdays. Like that. That 3 set you should be practicing for 3 weeks. Like this you should keep on practicing, and this is very much important. You should practice for at least of 3 weeks. So next we will be attempting for some of the advanced level of asanas and advanced level of practices. So at least 3 weeks of practices is must and should. So don't skip don't skip the practices and just moving ahead. It's not advisable. So always practice this. From hereafter you should practice each set for 3 weeks. This is all about the information for next level of practices. Thank you all. Thank you.